Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to represent the equation 7 times 2. We're going to do this by making an array, repeated addition, skip counting, and also by showing it on a number line. Don't forget, an array is a set of objects arranged in rows and columns, okay? So 7 times 2, that means we're going to have 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 groups. How many is supposed to go in each group? Well, we just look at our second number, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on and so forth until you have 7 groups of 2. Now I'm going to show you what 7 times 2 looks like using repeated addition. This means it wants you to add 7 2's together. This would look like this. 2 plus 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2's added together. Now, boys and girls, you could add 7 plus 7 and get the same answer. But this equation is not asking for 2 times 7. This is 2 times 7. The equation is asking us what 7 times 2 would look like. So, now we are going to represent 7 times 2 using skip counting. What this means is we're going to count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so forth. But we're going to count by 2's 7 times. So let's do this together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now, boys and girls, we are going to represent 7 times 2 using a number line. You always start at 0. And how do you know what number to go to? Well, let's see. If we're counting by 2's and our second number is 2, that means that we go to this number 2 on the number line. And then you count 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Boys and girls, you jump 7 times. As I mentioned earlier, if you're not feeling confident in your jumps on your number line, you can always go back to where you skip counted, just to reference and double check. 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, and so forth.